Progress, baby, progress. More progress. There we go, baby. Now we're got someplace. Well, yeah, so I bought this car as a roller, as a lot of you know if you've been following the video, and, you know, I didn't have any interest in the interior. I've pulled a few parts just for fun, and I pulled the doors off and looked up. It was the first time I noticed the headliner, and I find myself looking face to face with old Brucey himself, the Incredible Hulk. Check it out. Somebody really did a custom job on this. One thing I have to say though, the color of his skin actually matches the color of the car quite well. So actually it wasn't such a ridiculous thing. I have to say I would not have thought of that, I don't think. But I give somebody a lot of credit, and I hope they had a lot of fun doing it. So hey, if you need a headliner for your Caprice, man, we can hook you up, buddy. Hey man, you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. God bless. Bye-bye.